Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a video on the tips and tricks on how I use the Silhouette Studio to make outlines for my stickers so I can print and cut them. So the first thing I do is I create two layers, one that says cut and one that says no cut. And this is going to be very helpful when I go to send my project to my Silhouette. So making sure that the no cut layer is selected, I am going to just click and drag my PNG files of what I want. So I have 3 here, and for some reason you can see there's like an outline around this one. For some reason all of my stickers have a black outline when I import them. So all you have to do to fix that is just select them and change the border from black to transparent, and it's that easy. So now I'm going to resize my stickers real quick just because that one's a little too big. But it's super easy to do that. So now as you can see on the no cut line, I hit the vision or the eyeball if you want to make it simple. So I knew that those images were on that layer. So now when I'm on the cut layer, I'm actually going to do an outline of these images first. So you go to select trace area and then you select the area. If you don't select enough, you can just easily adjust it like I do right here. Then I hit outline and turn the threshold up to 100, and then I do trace outer edge. And because I had the cut layer selected, those tracings should be as that one polygon on the cut line. So all of these images, I need to group them together. But because I have the cut layer unlocked, it will select it. So you can just hit lock and then, or unsee, it doesn't matter, it does the same thing. But basically you just want to make sure that everything is grouped together except anything that's on the cut line. And this is important later to make it easier to align everything. So you can just move the images over to the side so you have just your cut line here. Sometimes the outlines will be a little hectic. As you can see in the top right corner one, there are a lot of little extra things on the end. Sometimes when you do the offset, like here, it'll fix it, but sometimes you have to play around with it. But before we get to that, all you need to do is hit offset and then change the sizing to however you want, depending on how thick of a border you want around the image. So I'm just going to do this preset. I usually do 0.05, but you can do whatever size you want. And you can also do corners that are square or curved. It's just your personal preference. But either way, just hit apply and it should do that for you. So the previous outline will still be there, but now you can just delete it. And because it was already grouped, you just had to delete once, which was nice. But now we have this other thing, this outline, the actual offset. We need to group that together because that will be important in the future. When you have an intricate outline like this one right here, sometimes you'll have some random little things all around and it won't be the same image. So hit release compound path and then control and then right click on the main image and then delete. So what this will do will delete a lot of the little inside cuts. You don't want your sticker to cut within your sticker, and this one, might have been a bad example, but it's good to see how intricate images could be and how much of a problem they could pose. Sometimes what I do is I just re-offset it and it will get rid of some of those. You can go ahead and delete the little remaining ones if you want, but I decided to do the offset trick and just do a little bit more. Now I'm going to delete that middle one, release compound again, control right click, and now it's just one smooth line all the way around. And now to repeat a prior step, I'm going to go ahead and group all of these together as well. You can fill it in with white if you want so you can see what the sticker will look like. Also do the border as well. But if you're printing on a white label or white sticker paper, this isn't a necessary step to fill it in because there's no point in printing white ink on white paper. So right here, I just selected both of those groups and centered them. Sometimes it might not center perfectly, so you can just use your arrow keys to align it however you want. Because I have the layers, I can just quickly hit view or no view, so I can make sure that the cut lines are on the right layer. Now I will ungroup them. And now each sticker is pretty much its own little floating sticker, except this one right here, which is also an intricate one, and I will show you how to fix that right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide the images so only the cut layer is showing. I'm going to select all of those and offset it so it will bring all of those letters together. I don't want to ruin how the picture is, so I just want to change the actual outlines. So I'm going to go ahead and select the prior filling and then delete it. So as you can see, there is still a little gap between these two words. So you can just double click on one and then add a point and then connect them. And then once you're done with that, you can actually weld them together. And this is nice if you want to make an outline that is a little bit different than the size of the actual picture. So I'm just going to fill it in white real quick just to show it the same as the other stickers. But now when my silhouette cuts this, it will cut it as one big sticker and not two individual ones. Alright, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you found this video informative. Everything is a learning process, and so if you have any questions about the Silhouette Studio or just stickers in general, go ahead and leave a comment and I would love to help you out. Alright everyone, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye!